to kangke tini afangsi tini press mailong nangache tong dungke kapo dari Karbi Appreciation Bokolia Roben Amaipu media person Tuhan afangsi neri ngeprong pen suri sudah kadang padiri lo nili dong tini langsung press meet binan kok tengah lakuin hello ini tuh makai ke makai mason singkrup dikalilan lasi asabe tunung ini kan ingkang HSLC lapen HS finally nun tumapan asabe tunung ini tuh di proyek orang pemaji tapi di ponsi alang itu kartu itu minghan akhirnya lah ini tuh asabe kartu pendame alang itu malah KKN yang itu akhirnya increase dong kalau karpen lapen ke digital aja laso kartu pendaran itu asabe jakong jakong itu sini tuh maka lasi ini mereka ke pas HS lapen HSLC asnalan turun langkah kan itu karya itu jangan tuh mana yang si city mata message long elang karya message long elang terus ke nanti tuh kan lah media hot kan tuh ini lo nanti tuh marjulong tuh terus ke kenapa program 19 kenapa kan deh orang orang itu enggak itu ini pun United States kelapa mau nggak tuh langit kita nanti tuh mana kartu kalau nggak kan city apa yang media kau tidak pada kira-kira lasolang pacetak menikah akhirnya nisungka kadoe pangali so yang mande orpagi supaya ini kira tadi masih langkah kan itu mana korte injil dong si alpan kecil itu proses kalau pun kami laso saya ni mau nanti tahu dah laso itu kan tu isu along nanti tahu masa saya berpatu sini tu lah pro media kan nak teman tu ni tu lapen isi Jurur itu udah laso asai ke dengan ini tuh man kayak hon karbi ini tuh mah itu mah orte inggir tuh mah karbi belum nang itu contribution mah tenang tuh negara belum well besar udah semelo ini pen itu mah negara belum angka mah pen cenglo budi sore lapen itu mana ini nampak hedung lahai apa laso good mana ini itu mana ngerabun kapto be korte injir atau mah pantan itu mendingan kompen akan itu man coro beri lapen alam itu angke kenapa program dong nah aja tong lima itu nahikan alam itu man cuneng rilo lapen alam itu man banget deni kok sini itu matai lo lasi media korte mana cuneng rilo nanti itu sampai pacetak sampai Athe laso pacetak mendasar o account jobi pusini lima kalau lasi ini press min ke hanga alam tegela min ke lapan hando lasi non next pun itu central committee general secretary do alam ni pele abjuti inna
respected friend president KDA Bukal Tulang Bumili Mr. Kamsinganse, respected friend Mr. Denisov Singer, Finance Secretary, KDA Bukal Tulang Committee, respected friend Srimati Promila Chipi, Central Committee Member Karbil Association, respected friend Srimati Pangiran Sepi, member K Collegial Committee, and our beloved leader as well as apex body of Karbi language, Mr. Kamsin Hanse, President Karbi Lametame, and respected media persons. First of all, on behalf of Karbi Employees Association Popular General Committee as well as Karbi Employees Association Central Committee extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for your kind participation and cooperation. As we know that the Karbi Employees Association Popular General Committee has organized a very special program on 19th of May 2024 for organizing a felicitation program to the successful students of SSLC as well as higher secondary final exams in 2024. Especially the KEA Vocal General Committee has planned to felicitate the successful students covering Greater Langkawi MSc constituency, and besides that, the adjoining areas of Langkawi constituencies, which is very near MSc constituency, Singhasan constituency, as well as Colony MSc constituency and Haurahat MSc constituency. And besides that, the students, those who are studying out of Karbi Anglong district and their residences are in Langkawi MSc constituency, we are going to felicitate for them also. Therefore, with the organizing committee, especially KEA Karbi Employees Association Popular General Committee, wants to encourage the successful students in SSLC as well as in higher secondary final 2024, so that our students may create more good results in the coming days when they are pursuing in their higher classes. We know very well that we the Karbi students are very lagging behind in studies in comparison to other students. But just a token of love and encouragement to the successful students and those who are pursuing matric, that is those who are pursuing class 10 this year, we want to encourage them, and they should also follow the examples that the students have already been successful in the SSLC final exam and HS final exam 2024. And we have nothing, we have no extra agenda for organizing this felicitation program, but the main theme for organizing such a precious program is that to encourage and to promote the atmosphere of education in Langkawi constituency in general and entire Karbi Anglong as well as West Karbi Anglong in general. So those citizens, those stakeholders who have contributed for making the successful of tomorrow's, that is 19th May 2024 program, we on behalf of the organizing committee extend our acknowledgement to all the well-wishers who have contributed generously for making the success of tomorrow's felicitation program. And besides that, we invited as a guest from the Karbi Employees Association Central Committee, and we are very hopeful that our guests from Karbi Employees Association Central Committee will also participate in tomorrow's program. And besides that, the successful students, those who may get the invitation letter in time or not, that is not the question. But as a general appeal to all the students concerned, especially the successful students of HSLC and matric, so in higher secondary, they should come forward to receive their felicitation at United Karbi Club, Bukulia, on 19th May 2024. And besides that, the employees, especially Karbi employees who are residing in Nagara MC constituency are also kindly requested to be present during the felicitation program. And with this, our today's press meet is from on behalf of the Karbi employees. Is over.
Nilidong Penam 19 May 2024 ani Karbi Employee Association Boklia Journal Committee ahin men Higher Secondary lapante HSLC asaplan thekibun osoma Nilidong osomar doman karchuji asai abake Nilidong chisik chedang lapno lasi ini kalau me alam magalalo aprang asam galilon ke Nilidong osomar sakali Higher Secondary and then HSLC and then Kipuna High Sitame Dumping Law. Senior Nilidong Chini Law, I supported Patsitame Dumpinga Law, Nilidong Pangun Bomb and Long Bomb Law, La Sipina Babanke, Bangharu Pli, Bangharu Hoba, Asomar Chitongji, who is Nilidong Ning Taylor Nonan, or Technopor Pangun, and Nilidong Chini Law. La Si कि अब लोग असम आरफा के दिन तो बस सब ग्रुप ऐसे तमें पार्चुलों लो लपेन कोनानी कार्चुलों में असम दोलान फलोते अलग लिखो मेरे तो पार्चुलों को कुछ तमें अलग लिखो नानी नाना पे सोच ऐसे तमें आर्चुलों फलोते अलग लिखो मेरा ना चुता मुझे कुछ मेरे तो बचनी लो लपेन दे लांफेर असम आरफा से नील तो कार्चु चर्ची लपुगाली लपे बॉक्टेरा स्कूल तो उनका किताब के बारे में जो Semar dumar makin nasi tong lumi itu jalan cara semar masih arsu cerjil kita kali dan kartu asam kithiu la tu tanil tu piuni athina semar apai dan tak lupi kan lo sita di onan ini tu bori ko tidak pakai kata kalau maksudnya pasar sabet kan sita ini tu kartu di masih siglo lapen labang suah sailong penangan karbin long la employee satu Lowing kan atum sekali kirap nakal lo, nilu tumning arong piklo dan kuliah Journal Committee itu spirika mamai tentang ning arong lo, alam itu contribution nakal lo, alam itu man suruh bende. Asih penawasai lo bangke 400 and 500 dan paso marche tong ke sini telo, lapente alam itu api apa guardian serta doji, lapen ifu Central Committee, KES Central Committee, Klaim Bangku, kami tentang ciptaan logi, masih alam itu kan setami sen lampu itu marju tu na, lapen sen ben saya cumbu kusini tu ning thelo, si langgar